Ever wondered how much money people actually trust with investment platforms? Like real, tangible money. Not just those fancy numbers they throw around in their ads. Today, we're diving deep into the murky waters of investment fund sizes. And we're starting with a big one, StashAway. Now, you've probably heard of StashAway. It's one of those investment platforms that promises to make your money work harder while you chill. But let's cut through the marketing jargon. How much money are we really talking about here? Is it a puddle, a pond, or an ocean of cash? Picture this, you're standing at the edge of a pool. You can see the water, it's inviting, but how deep is it? That's kind of where we're at with StashAway. We know it's got money in it, but we want to know just how much. So, let's break it down. What does fund size even mean in this context? Well, it's basically the total amount of money that people have invested through the platform. It's like asking how much money is in a mutual fund, but for StashAway. A small fund size might mean the platform is new or struggling to attract investors. A huge fund size could indicate it's a popular choice, but it also means your money is part of a larger pool. And that's where things can get interesting. Now, StashAway has been around for a while, and it's definitely got a following. But how does that translate to actual dollar figures? Let's do some digging. Insert relevant data, statistics, and comparisons here. We could compare StashAway to other investment platforms in the region. How does its fund size stack up? Is it a minnow in a sea of sharks, or is it holding its own? Also, let's talk about growth. Has StashAway been gaining investors rapidly? Or has its growth plateaued? This can give us a sense of the platform's trajectory and its potential for future growth. But remember, fund size isn't everything. It's just one piece of the puzzle. We also need to look at factors like investment returns, fees, customer service, and the overall user experience. So, while knowing the size of StashAway's fund can give us some insights, it's essential to consider the bigger picture. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.